6 months old. Soft light straight on, no jawline, no stubble, not one deep shadow to hide a bad line behind. The first face I have drawn in 10 weeks that nobody on earth is searching for. The AI gave me 18 steps, 21 pencils, and one rule. Eyes sharpest. Everything else soft on purpose. It grades me at the end. The light is soft and frontal, so there is almost no hard shadow anywhere on this face. That is exactly what makes it hard, nothing to hide behind. And the form has to hold on tiny shifts in value. Baby skin is translucent, the blood comes through it, so the cheeks and the ears and the tip of the nose are the most saturated places in the drawing, not the darkest ones. Cool color only goes into shadow. The moment it outweighs the warm, she stops being a baby. An iris is a sphere, not a disc, so it gets built in radial strokes out from the pupil, thin layers that mix optically instead of one flat fill. Lavender in the shadow, half under the lid, warm nectar and peach in the lit half below. Then the sclera, which is never white, a cool gray glaze so it reads as a turned surface. And the upper lash line becomes the darkest, sharpest edge in the whole drawing. That is the anchor everything else gets measured against. This is the optical mixer. Every cool and warm accent for the rest of the drawing sits on top of it, so if this layer is blotchy, the whole face reads patchy and there is no fixing it later. Nectar first, across everything, light pressure. Then beige sienna only on the warmest zones, cheeks, nose tip, the forehead catch. Then a whisper of salmon pink on the cheeks. The discipline here is refusing to finish anything. I built this area by area for 6 straight weeks and got patchy skin every single time. Mid-tones sit between the bright zones and the shadows, and on a baby that gap is tiny. Ginger root and a touch of Tuscan red on the cheekbone to turn it as a form. Forehead stays warmer and lighter. The nose tip stays warmer than the cheek around it because light actually penetrates skin this thin and exits nearby as a glow. And on the jaw, gentle form and no hard edge. This is not an adult face where a defined jaw reads as attractive. An infant's circulation reads right through the skin, so the cheeks and ears carry visible saturation. Pink rose centered on the ball of the cheekbone, faded outward, and the critical part is not making a circle. A hard edge circle reads doll-like. The nose is a pyramid with a rounded tip. Bridge and tip catch the light, the sides turn away. The nostril is a shadowed opening, never dark and never graphic. A hairline at the rim so it looks like a cast shadow instead of ink. The neck is not a separate object, it is the head continuing, a cylinder, lighter and warmer down the front where it catches light, softer and cooler at the sides. There is a shadow the jaw casts onto the neck, and on an infant it stays extremely light. The jawline itself has to be blended out and run a rose glaze along the front side transition. Without it, the neck drifts gray and starts reading as a separate piece stuck under the face. Cream fabric is never pure white, a very light neutral gray first, or it reads flat and artificial. Then the folds, and only the big ones, glazed with a whisper of cloud blue so they suggest form without shading. Leave the lit peaks as bare paper. Here is the part that matters. The garment is supposed to be less finished than the face. That is not laziness. That is the edge hierarchy starting. Last week, I left Otani's jersey half rendered by accident and the AI called it a miss. Choosing to soften it and forgetting to finish it look identical on paper. The difference is whether you chose. Back to the eyes with a sharp pencil. A few individual lashes only where they actually separate. A uniform row across the whole lid reads fake. A dot of warm nectar in the inner corner. Then, the past this week is being graded on. Soften everything else. Cheek into background, jaw into shadow, hair into background, and deliberately lose the far cheek into a hazier mid-value. Hard edges survive only at the eye. This is subtle. The goal is directing attention, not blurring the face. Last pass, and it corrects the most common failure in a portrait. A face that reads filled in rather than struck by light. Forehead apex, nose bridge and tip, cheekbone peaks. The nose should end up the absolute brightest value in the drawing. These are hard jumps in value, not soft glows, and they are surgical, only where the reference actually shows peak light, only at the highest forward-facing points. And burnishing lifts your whole range, So the darks have to come back down one more time or the drawing goes gray. Back into the AI, same drawing, its own rule. The eyes carry it. The dress goes soft on purpose. One catch: the ruffle closest to her face reads scribbly, so the softness looks unfinished instead of chosen. The 21 pencils and all 18 steps from this session are in a free PDF in the description. Nothing to buy. And if you draw something this week, send it. I will run it through the same 3 lines that just graded me and send them straight back to you. Next, Alex Alla, first Filipina to ever win one.